everybody. We are in Ia, Greece, which is on the island of Santorini. And if you look across the way, that's Fira. Now, Fira is a port city and therefore is much busier. And Ia, where we are now, has a much slower pace. You do have a lot of tourists, but not quite the number of tourists you have at Fira. We visited both Fira and Ia, and I believe we like Ia better because it's a bit quieter. There are some really nice restaurants we visited, and I highly, highly recommend it. Now, Santorini is a volcanic island, and in the center of the island, you will see the remains of the volcano. There are two small islands there that top the volcano. As a matter of fact, in the center is sulfur-heated water, or water that's sulfur and is heated. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but we're going to find out later this week because we're taking a cruise to go swimming in that water. So stay to the end so you get to see that side. Now you can see the architecture that's built on the sides of the cliffs, and they're basically built as if they're caves built into the mountains. And the hotel rooms look like small cave-like dwellings, and it's that way throughout the island. Absolutely unique, very beautiful, very white. Everything is painted stark white with blue roofs. Beautiful. We're at Ia, boutique hotel, which is a member of Small Luxury Hotels of the World. Be sure to wear your walking shoes because the first thing you'll notice when you arrive in the city of Ia are the number of steps you'll be taking up and down. This is because the city of Ia is built on a cliff. A lot of steps. So you have to be very cautious. What a view! We are at Ia in Santorini, and look, we have all kinds of wonderful fresh fruits and wines. What a way to start a vacation. And I love this idea. Somebody has carved out the QR codes for the room directories and the dining because spa, and we're going to check all of that out later. And then we have our shower with a rain shower head. And what products do they have? They have Ia products. Wonderful, wonderful. Ia. I hear some neighbors talking because the window's open. The restroom. Hello. All kinds of loofahs and body milks, and oh, how wonderful. Let me show you what we have here as our mini bar. When you come to Santorini, you cannot drink the water. So you are given water everywhere you go. This is cartons of water. And it seems odd for us to be drinking cartons of water, but believe me, when you can't drink it out of the faucet, this is pretty darn good. As just traditional in Santorini, the rooms are cave-like. We have been in Santorini in the past and had a cave-like room, just like this. How adorable. And then, of course, over here we have storage area, closet with, I think we have a safe. Let's see. Yes, we have a safe and beach things is absolutely beautiful. You hear that? That is a lot of traffic, and we are in Ia at Cannabis Ia Hotel, but we are going downtown, and there are a lot of people because it is season. I know you have heard me talk about how many steps there are in Ia. Well, I'm going to show you how many steps there are just to our resort swimming pool. We are going in the pool. It is blasting hot because we're on the rooftop and it's catching all of the sun. Luckily, we have an umbrella, so this is a good thing. And it's mid-afternoon. Super. Okay, what we are doing is trying to get my hair much more flyable because we are on our way to a flying dress photo shoot and we want big hair because it's a big dress and we want it to be the flyingest flying dress picture that's ever flown. So let's see if we can get this hair bigger and better. And we are on our way to Amiragovili, and I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, for our big dress photo shoot. a restaurant named Mia's, and we highly recommend it because it is beautiful inside and out. The food is great, the wines are great, and the views are phenomenal. And I'm so glad you were here with me for all these Santorini moments. And anything I showed that I can link for you will be linked below. Places we visited, things we've done, and I will have those for you. So if you decide to come to Ia or Santorini in general, I'll have some information about that. Now the problem is we have a super early flight in the morning, 5:30, and we're going to leave our hotel at 2:30 a.m. So I don't even know why I'm going to bed, but we are, and we're going to leave here, fly to Madrid. Now our flight times between our flight from Madrid to Miami is very tight, and let me tell you, we may not make that flight, and if so, we're going to stay in Madrid for a day or two, and I'll be vlogging from Madrid, and then we'll go to Miami. But in the meantime, the plan is that we're going to leave here, we're going to Madrid, and then we're going to Miami. This trip in particular, I believe I have put more on Instagram than I usually do because this is such an Instagrammable location. So I suggest if you love posting on Instagram or YouTube that you should stop in Ia for a few days because you're going to get some of the best shots in the world, some of the most beautiful sunsets. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button. And don't forget, you can always follow me on Instagram. Bye.